Welcome back to Origami video. Let's make this standing Christmas tree together. All you're gonna need for this Christmas tree are 2 pieces of square paper. I'm using 15 by 15 centimeters and scissors. And we'll start by folding the first one. We'll fold it on both diagonals. And now we'll open it, turn it around and fold it on both center lines. Like this. And now we'll bring the sides of the paper inwards, that we have this as our starting positions. Now we'll take the upper layer and we'll open it and push the middle of the paper downwards so that this upper line and this bottom line will be aligned. So align the upper bottom line and press it down. And do this on all of the sides of the paper. So the left side, open it, align the lines and press it down. And turn your paper over, open one side, and the last one. Align the lines and press it down. Now we'll take our scissors and cut the paper on this line here. Just like this, and we will make a few cuts upon this line. And when you're cutting, cut all of the layers on one side. Cut it about a half of centimeter inwards. I need to adjust the first one and do the same on the other side so that these lines are aligned. Like this. Now we'll place our paper downwards and fold the paper from this line here where the cut ended down to this line. So take the first layer of the paper and fold it from corner to where the cut ends, and the next one I can show you like this. So upwards from one corner to where the line ends, and the last one. Now that you have it, flip one layer over and repeat the same steps on all of the layers of the paper. like this. Now we'll flip it over and bring the sides that are not folded downwards to the other side. And continue. And the last one. Like this. Now that all of the sides are folded, we'll open our Christmas tree. And we'll start by folding the stem of the tree. We'll repeat the same steps as before, so fold it on both diagonals. And now open it, flip it over and fold it on both sides of the paper. Like this. And now again bring the sides of the paper inwards. And as with Christmas tree, we'll open those layers up in the middle and press them down. Flip it over and do the same on this side. And again we'll take scissors and cut the paper on this line right here. And now we'll again cut it, but we'll cut it on lines like this one and downwards, and here in and downwards. And on the other side, like this. And now we'll open our stem, or I should say our whole tree. And we will place the upper layer directly on it so that these sides will align. Once you have it, press it down, and we have our standing Christmas tree like this. I hope you enjoyed this video and see you in next one. Bye!